go to Google, search for Dynamics 365. Now go to the first link appeared in the search results. Here you can see try for free. Okay, click on that. Now it will list down the products available in this Dynamics 365. It takes time to load. Now again I am giving a reload. Okay, here you can see multiple options are available. Now we want to select Dynamics 365 sales. Here you can click on try for free in the card Dynamics 365 sales. Okay, once you click on tries for free, it will open the new prompt. Okay, here you want to give them email id. Okay, that needs to be work or school account only. Here you can see I am giving the personal account, it's not accepting, it throws the error. Now we want to create our work or school account, so click on setup account. Now here to create this work or school account we need one email or outlook, so give that your personal mail id. Okay, once the verification completed you are able to start. Okay, now here you want to give your details, personal details, and here you need to give the domain name. Okay, like for work account or school account the domain name need to be the school name or company name. Here we are creating a, for our personal use, so give some personal domain name. Okay, once it created it asks for the address, give the details. Now we don't need to add any payment method. Okay, now our account is created already, so close the window and come to the Power BI, give sign in and try to log in with our personal domain mail id that we have created just now. Okay, this usually ended with dot on microsoft.com. Okay, before that we will be able to give our personal domain name. Okay, now click on continue. Here one Microsoft window open that asks us to sign in. Okay, now here you can give the same domain, personal domain mail id and the password we have created earlier. Okay, once it able to sign in, it asks us to create Microsoft Fabric free account. Okay, this opens a new browser window. Okay, here the verification is completed. Okay, now Microsoft Fabric free account we need to create. Click on continue and give your details again, country, job detail, and phone number and all. Once this Microsoft Fabric free account is created, now everything set up for our personal domain account. Now go to Power BI and refresh. Try to sign in again with the same personal domain mail ID that we have created. You can see here we can able to log in with our dot on microsoft.com personal domain account. Okay, likewise we can log in with Power BI service also. Actually this is not any work or school account, this is our personal account.